Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LIGE man's smartwatch here with phone function. In this smartwatch here we have a 1.43 inches AMOLED screen, touch screen. It's a smartwatch with heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, pedometer, and over 100 of sports modes. It's IP68 waterproof. It's the fitness tracker for Android and for Apple phones. That means here comes a 460 mAh battery to operate this LIGE smartwatch a long time on your wrist. It's easy to operate with that man's smartwatch, of course, because the pairing is really easy. We download the app out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then we enable Bluetooth on our device and our smartphone. Then we full charge the smartwatch, and after this process we can pair them each other, easy peasy and fast. We can replace the bands easily because it's tool-free operated. That means there is splinter, and the splinter is tool-free to attach and tool-free to remove from the body of the smartwatch. And we have two bands included. The one band is made out of silicon and the other made out of stainless steel. This smartwatch is on the market in black orange as seen in that video here. And black orange I like more because the knob on the right side of the smartwatch is orange, and this looks really cool with the black finish of it. And we have an always on display. This LIGE man smartwatch has a 1.43 inch AMOLED touchscreen display, which offers an impressive viewing experience with its ultra high resolution of 466 to 466 pixels. Each pixel works independently for clear contrast and vibrant colors while saving energy. Their wide viewing angle ensures constant brightness from every perspective, making it effortless to check time with just one wrist movement. And we have comprehensive health monitoring. This smartwatch here carefully monitors our heartbeat, our oxygen saturation in the blood 24/7, and provides us with comprehensive insights into our physical health. We stay informed of any irregularities in real time with its unique heart rate alert function. In addition, the smartwatch automatically tracks our sleep patterns and ensures us to get the best we need. And it's all operated on our wrist. That means we can make calls, answer calls, we can see the notifications of our smartphone. That means if there is an chat message coming in by WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on, we can see this on our smartwatch. This is a really cool feature. And we can make and answer calls because there is a built-in microphone and a built-in speaker in the smartwatch itself. The smartwatch is really cool looking and 460 mAh battery. That means it is equipped with a robust 460 mAh battery. This smartwatch offers exceptional durability. We enjoy uninterrupted use of 7 up to 15 days under normal conditions, with an impressive standby time of up to 40 days. After 2 hours fast charging, we can quickly power up for extended usage without the hassle of frequent recharges, ensuring our smartwatch stays operation when we need it on the most. And a lot of versatile sports modes. We take our fitness journey to a new level with over 100 plus sports modes integrated into LIGE's smartwatch here. Whenever we are cycling, running, fishing, or doing other activities, this smartwatch has everything for us. With their IP-thick waterproof rating, we can confidently integrate them into our daily activities without worrying about water damage. And efficient connectivity. We stay connected and informed with the Bluetooth call function of that smartwatch here, which allows us to easily manage incoming calls after syncing them with our smartphone. We get real-time notifications from popular social apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook right on our wrist. With its AI voice assistant and multi-language support and over 200 plus online dials, this smartwatch unparalleled convenience, of course. And it looks really cool because this is a military grade standard smartwatch, which is IP68 waterproof. It is a sports watch, heart rate monitor, step counter, of course, alert. GloriFit Pro app is compatible with this smart watch here. That means we have to download the GloriFit Pro app and pair it. GLORYFIT PRO. This is the name of the app which we have to download, and then we can start our journey, our fitness journey, our lifestyle journey, our everyday journey with this LIGE Man smartwatch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.